Here in this video I want to show how to use your Moodle app and how to submit assignment. So that is the main task of this video. Okay, first you go to your mobile. So I am showing mobile only because maximum people are having mobile phones. That's why I am showing my mobile phone here. So go to Play Store and search for Moodle. Moodle, directly select it and install. Yeah, I already installed, that's why I am not, once again I don't want to install. So just I am opening here. After installation it will open like this. So here it must and should ask what is the server name, that is nothing but your site name. So our site name you need to give here. Okay, Stanley LMS dot Swechha dot org. So that is our site name. Okay, so already we have a link for this, so just click on that. Okay, so click on connect to that thing. So at that instant it will ask for two things. One is username and password. So username is as usual your roll number, but here I am showing some example. I am the user right now, that's why my name is example. In case it is your roll number. Okay, so here it is asking password. Generally the password which we are created is nothing but password @ ECE, password @ IT, password @ CSE, like that we created. So in that the first letter P is a capital letter. Okay, so in my case it is password @ 123. Okay, so this is the password I typed and login. So once I logged in, so it will directly shows dashboard. So from this dashboard you can access your courses, because only one course is added for me, because I want to show one course. Okay, for example I am showing, maybe you have 8 courses, 6 subjects and 2 labs, or 5 subjects and 2 labs, like that. So depends upon your number of courses, it is populated on your dashboard. So otherwise you can select from site home. You click on site home or dashboard, choice is yours. So dashboard is easiest thing for you. So if you want to go to all the courses, so miscellaneous, and after that which department you are belongs to, go to that department. I am the student of ECE 3rd sem right now, so 3rd sem, and here only one is permitted for me, remaining all are having locks. See, so I am permitted to only one thing, effective technical communication in English. So that is only my thing. So directly I can select from here. Otherwise just dashboard. So on dashboard it is visible, yes, that course is visible. Click on that simply. So what is there? Some course items, topic 1, topic 2, nothing is added right now. So maybe teacher is going to add after some time. But assignment example is there. Okay, that is our intention, yes, we want to submit our assignment. So for that simply click on assignment example. Okay, some people are going to add their questions in a descriptive only. So here see, so answer the following questions in notebook, scan and make PDF and submit. So this assignment gives you 5 marks. Okay, show more. So some people are giving directly question here. So write a letter to your college principal seeking permission for the 6 months internship. Okay, for suppose that is the question. assume. So questions are not like that. So for example I am showing. Okay, after that sometimes teachers are giving like this. So but sometimes teachers are going to give a PDF format or like this. So example assignment doc, so document format or image format. So it depends upon teacher choice, they will give. So just download this thing. in case the question is not visible to you, so download the document. So any links, so open with your suitable tool, so which is installed in your mobile. So you see all the questions. So I see my question. What is that question? Okay, so write a letter to your college principal seeking permission for the 6 months internship. Okay, that is my question. Okay, done. So now I need to write this thing on notebook. Okay, so on paper, in notebook I want to write this question. So now it is not required. So now I want to go back. So just I minimized that thing. So now I know question right now. So now I am writing the question. So just after completion, maybe assume this is a letter. So I am not writing letter right now, but just some paper I want to scan. Okay. So here two problems are there. I want to show that. Okay. Now I want to make a PDF. So for that you download Cam Scanner, or maybe your mobile having some other app. I don't know. So but I'm maximum times, and I suggested this thing. This is the best one, Cam Scanner. Okay. So from Play Store you download this Cam Scanner. So go to Cam Scanner. So just I want to scan the photo. Okay, click on this thing. Okay, camera symbol is there, so click on that. So now I'm doing my scanning operation right now. Okay, so this is the scanning operation. Clearly you scan. Okay, so now if you want, you need to adjust. So if your scan is not correct, you need to adjust the thing. And next, so right now it is asking for name. Okay, so I'm giving assignment 1, simply assign 1. Okay, that is my name. Okay, so now save. So after that, done. If you want to add one more page also there, for suppose your letter is in 2 pages, so go to second page, because assignments are not possible in 1 page. Yes, so at that instant, just you need to add one more page. Tap on that side and add one more page and hit scan. Okay, so if you want to do any adjustment, you do here, and next, done. So my scanning process is completed. Save. Okay, so if you have 50 copies or 60 copies, how many copies you have, that many you scan. So after scanning, simply click on PDF. Click on PDF. So now it is asking for share. So I don't want to share. Actually, I want to save. Okay, save to local. So where I want to save? So that is saved in Cam Scanner documents. That's it. Done. My PDF is created. I hope you understood, because it is a video. If you want, you can see more number of times. So now my scanning completed. Now I am going to my model. Okay. Okay, my module, just click on assignment. So here you need to take care. So because you want to select that what is your file, that one you need to select. Okay, add submission. Simply click on add submission and add file. So you need to choose that file. So here I'm going to file manager. In that file manager, I want to check for Cam Scanner. So in that Cam Scanner, so assign 1.pdf. Just select that thing. Okay, done. Okay, so now save. First you need to save as a draft. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. So per suppose, if you want to change anything in your scanned document, so you can change, because draft not submitted. So it is not submitted right now. So if you want to change anything, you can. Edit submission means you can change something. So once you submit assignment, okay, so the last button, see, so once submit the assignment, you are unable to change anything. Okay, submit assignment, this is must and should. So your teacher asked for must and should, you need to submit the assignment. This maximum people think that, so my submission is completed at this moment. No, not submitted, just to saved. It is visible to your teacher, but it is not, your teacher is unable to grade it. Okay, submit assignment, simply submit assignment. Okay, done. Okay, so like this, so submitted for grading, but it is not done it. Okay, so go back to your dashboard. So if you have any other tasks related to this thing, you can. Okay, so that is the actual thing you want to perform. So once again, it is not going to give. Submitted for assignment means it doesn't give anything. Okay, one more chance it doesn't give, and we can't edit anything. Okay, thank you. So this is the first thing, how to download Moodle, and after that how to submit your assignment. Okay, here password and everything you can change. So through site, not from mobile. So in site you can change anything if you want to change anything in your password and everything. Okay, thank you.